You answered the call. You make it possible for us to reach new heights. Our enrollment is at an all-time high. More students are experiencing engineering through outreach, internships, diversity programs, and student teams. A clean room to advance thin film technology in the Devon Energy Hall. And the ExxonMobil Lawrence G. Rawl Engineering Practice Facility, where student teams gain hands-on experience designing, building, and competing. Students are serving others through campus outreach and community service organizations. Students are improving the quality of drinking water in places like Ethiopia, Cambodia, and Guatemala. Faculty are working together with students to improve the quality of our lives through research. Students are leading and learning how to become entrepreneurs. We are doing great things because of you, and it's because of your generosity that people are talking.
So many great things are happening at the College of Engineering as we approach the 100th anniversary of Engineering Week. It's amazing to think that this has been celebrated, this college has been celebrated now on this campus for 100 years.
We are a great College of Engineering because of you.
And it's not just numbers coming to the college, it's incredibly talented students.
Not only did the classes help, but mainly knowing how to work with other people in these teams, environments, and in these organizations, and then also being able to learn new things very quickly.
And so when you combine that leadership and management with the technical education they're getting here, we've got a super student.
So it's remarkable. And when you look at what people are doing in the college today, they're doing groundbreaking research. Many of our students are involved in that research.
I've been doing my research in investigating a new X-ray technology called phase contrast that will hopefully improve the image quality and reduce the radiation dose for clinics and hospitals in order to detect and diagnose cancer at a much earlier stage.
And we're working on developing a technique for 3D scanning using Connect that would allow newborn parents at home to scan their child to detect for birth defects, that if they catch them soon enough, they can fix them.
Aerospace, we have part of a laser technology developed at our College of Engineering that is now in NASA's rover that's exploring Mars.
And then my pride and joy is actually design for flight team, just right behind me. I have been on the team since my sophomore year, and last year I was captain, and we designed build fly an RC plane.
I don't know if you know very much about the design build flight team, but we're ranked pretty high in the nation, so that just goes to say something about the university, right?
And it flew very well. We got 5th place, which is the best we've ever done, so we were really excited about it.
Doing like Sooner Racing or the man-powered vehicle, those are probably the most interesting things that would provide the most experience.
I'm a math teacher at Norman High, and I teach mostly calculus and pre-calculus, so mostly juniors and seniors. At OU, there's so many extra benefits. If you're talking about the practice facility, they actually get like hands-on experience.
2 years ago, we were at the airport, and we had to pay, fees to rent this facility, and if we had to go to a machine shop, we had to pay a fee there.
And it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience that they wouldn't get otherwise. So we're really grateful, and we're gonna see if we can use it to the best of our ability.
I'm the current director of diversity programs in the multicultural engineering program. For me, I think the most important part of MEP is the community and our students feeling a part of something bigger.
OU's initiative around encouraging women in engineering, both in the camps, the Divas camp for high school age students, and also the young women that are entering as freshmen, those programs are invaluable.
I'm so excited to be here, and it's been such an awesome experience just to be a part of this weekend and the Women's Welcome. I've met so many incredible people within the university and made connections that I know are going to benefit me throughout my time here.
Right away, it just felt like it was the right place to be. Not only did I really like the campus, and I felt like I could get really good education here, but I just felt welcome.
So when I came to college, I was looking for that same sort of aspect of different cultures and different views on life.
There was one kid named Sam who was a Boy Scout. He and his troop came here, and that was like a really powerful day for me, because afterwards, he and several of his troop mates came up to me afterwards and like, I know what I want to be now. Like, this is what I want to do when I grow up.
In the spring of 2012, I got to go on the entrepreneurship trip with a bunch of College of Engineering students along with entrepreneurship majors. And it was a lot of fun to experience what it's like to be an entrepreneur.
Donor gifts definitely have an impact on study abroad, because many of our students really need those scholarships and travel fellowships in order to be able to afford that study abroad experience.
I'm Jordan, that's Greg, and that's Dakota. And we just wanted to thank you guys. It's easily the coolest thing we've ever done.
Engineering students who study here understand the full gamut of what it is to be an engineer.
Boomer! Sooner!
A lot of times in the abstract we believe in giving scholarships, but we don't understand until we hear it from the students themselves the tremendous difference we're making in the lives of students.
If I hadn't had those scholarships, I wouldn't be coming to OU.
If I didn't have this opportunity, I really don't know where I'd be right now.
The Industrial Engineering Department offered me a scholarship that helped waive that out-of-state tuition.
It is all based on funding from donors.
It was an incredible help to me to be able to be funded, because I could focus on my schoolwork instead of having to work.
It's really helped me really just focus on my classes and not have to worry about the financial burden of college.
And so this investment we make through giving to the College of Engineering strengthens our nation and our world. And it's so satisfying.
You know, I hope that they understand, and I hope you understand that it's more than just I'm writing a check to someone. I'm supporting someone's dreams.
I feel like I make a huge impact on a lot of people's lives in a way that I definitely would not be able to if it were not for their generosity.
Without your generosity, I would not have been able to focus so much on school and been near as successful as I have been.
We are deeply grateful to you, our alumni and friends, for all that you do on behalf of our students.
Through your support, the College of Engineering is flourishing. We are breaking new ground and providing more opportunities for students than ever before. Together, we are changing our community and the world. Thank you for making what we do possible. We are doing great things because of you. The University of Oklahoma College of Engineering.